As soon as your boy tried to get soldier, making me feel better. No, I'm clever, so I never quit.
Noize from Indiana, we out here. It's an A12, you know what I'm saying? It's Velocity. You can get a hold of me, Morgan Elijah Cagle Velocity on Facebook. You can get me on the Noize page on Facebook. You can also contact us from Reverb Nation.
Man, Daniel in the building.
Everybody clueless, resort to violence as soon as your boy tries to.
Hey, what up? It's Contact from Noize. You're rocking with
Noize.
We got a lot of good stuff in the making. We got the S&S album coming out with Snaps and Sickness over there.
Yeah, about to be dope, son.
We got this A12 mixtape that me and Contact dropped, and this new album coming out. You know, it's Young Hopes on that Mob Music. I mean, we get it out here. That's all I'm saying. A12.
And if you think your beats are sick, ours got the flu. We keep you sick all the time, son. Hit us up for them beats. Hit us up for that studio time.
Resort to violence as soon as your boy tries to act stupid. Real shit, Indiana, cheat up, homie. Everything I get on, you can call it homage. Repeat, bitch rappers cloning. Step up, shine, and leave they ass feeling phony. It's that real white boy rap.
I shot my first music video behind the bars right here in the studio, actually.
Yeah, and I shot my first one
In the studio, too.
it was in the studio, wasn't it?
I shot mine on the railroad tracks. Out at the gas station. Snaps, baby.
All the hate pushed inside from my abilities. Stay calm to the best of my abilities.
Noize.
Come get your studio time, $15 an hour. We got some hot new stuff dropping. We got the S&S album with Snaps and Sick.
Yeah,
we also got the A12 album coming out. You better get that, man.
Yeah, get
Also,
A12.
we got the Young Hopes, Mob Music,
Mob
mixtape,
Music.
Change in the Making.
We all need some peace, that's what I believe. Got the whole crew here, another blunt is getting rolled. Moving up is the game. It's about to get real. Hard days when we live like this. Getting by before them bills. Can't even afford them wheels. Can't even afford them children.
Stay with two girls like it's shaded. I murder had the risk of them saying Mayday at the Mayday parade. Too much hate, you still can't catch my fame. I know you.
Boy GB, man. Shout out Radcliffe KY, man. 270 stand up. Shout out Underground Marketing, LTD the Movement, man. Radcliffe was good.
That shit restricted. And I never understand cause that shit crazy. Girl, you betrayed me. Baby girl, you
Hello, ladies and gentlemen, it's Underground Marketing. We're at the doo-wop shop. Look, all day long, man, we going in, you hear me? This is Underground Marketing. You feel me? Are you tuning in or what? You know what I mean? Are you paying attention or what? We got Double T Nation in here or what? You feel me? LTDMG or what?
How you doing today, good sir? I'm doing quite fine. How about you, sir? I'm doing mighty fine.